Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete your Shpock account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for everything that you want. In the top right corner, we have the inbox. We have the selling, buying, watch list, saved searches, reviews. We have the saved locations, help center settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete your Shpock account. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So make sure that you have no ongoing deals or transactions and send an email to the support@shpock.com with the subject line request to delete my account. After that, in your email, include your account details and a request to delete your account and all associated data. Then Shpock may ask for additional verification, such as a form and a copy of your ID. Once your request is proceeded, your account and all related data will be permanently deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.